Meaning of holder.
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 Holder. Holder refers to a person, company, or organization that legally owns or possesses something such as property, rights, or assets. Holders have the legal right to manage and control their holdings and make decisions about their use and disposition. For example, stockholders are holders of company shares, and copyright holders are owners of intellectual property rights. The term can also refer to physical objects used for holding or carrying, such as tool holders or cup holders. In short, a holder is someone who possesses something and has the right to use it as they see fit.